Hello and welcome to Adobe Illustrator Beginner's course. In this course, I'll be teaching you on various things in Illustrator for a beginner. So to introduce you, at first I'm going to teach you on the user face of the entire system and how to create a document. So I'm going to teach you basically how to circumnavigate between Adobe Illustrator. For example, where is the toolbar? Then how to set up Adobe Illustrator under workspaces, how you can set up various things and how much it is convenient for you in whatever way that you feel like, and on creating document and various forms of documents and such. Then we will have several tools to teach you. So at first, the selection tool, the changes shapes with the selection tool, the direct selection tool, and the group selection tool. Then the magic wand tool, the lasso tool, the pen tool, the anchor tool, the curvature tool, type tool, area type tool, type on path and vertical tool, vertical area type tool, case and alignment, line arc spiral tools, grid tool, rectangle tool, polygon and star tools, brush tool, shaper tool and pencil tool, smooth path eraser and join tools, eraser, scissors and knife tools, rotate tool, the reflect tool, the scale shear tool, the width tool, warp tool, twirl tool, pucker tool, and the blow tool, the scallop tool, the free transform tool, and the gradient tool. After I have taught you on to create various forms of objects, then various forms of things using these tools, then we'll be moving on to the projects. In this entire course, I'm going to give you 2 class projects, and I'm also going to show you 2 examples of how you can do those class projects as well. So that will be all for all the introductions here, and then we'll be moving on to our first lesson. See you then. Goodbye.